Thinking about upgrading your electrical panel in Orange County? Here's why it matters. An outdated panel can lead to frequent breaker trips, flickering lights, burning smells, or even rust-clear signs. It's time for an upgrade. Modern homes need panels that can handle today's appliances, EV chargers, and smart devices. Upgrading improves safety, reduces fire risk, and can even boost your home's value. The process is simple. A licensed electrician inspects your system, handles permits, and installs the new panel usually in just one day. Most upgrades cost between $3,800 and $5,300. But you can start with a free estimate to see what's right for your home.